Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to send my UC to another account, only way. Start by confirming both accounts are active and under your control, then enable two-factor authentication on each account to prevent unauthorized access. Next, review the platform terms so you follow permitted methods and avoid penalties. Prepare any necessary receipts, screenshots, or trade confirmations to document the transfer and keep communication clear and polite throughout. In this video, I will explain how to send my UC to another account, only way. Begin by verifying email and phone on both accounts and set strong, unique passwords to secure access. Collect any trade codes, transaction ID, or screenshots that prove ownership and record the transfer. Make sure both users agree on timing, amount, and method to prevent disputes, and communicate clearly if any verification steps or cooldown periods apply. In this video, I will review how to send my UC to another account, only way. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear audio while you game or manage accounts, and it makes voice prompts and alarms easier during transfers. If you enjoyed this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to send my UC to another account, only ways. Use the platform's official trade or gift feature when available, and avoid third-party services that increase risk. Carefully confirm the recipient name or ID and the precise amount before you finalize the transfer. After completing the move, save a timestamped screenshot and any confirmation numbers, and notify the recipient so they can verify receipt immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.